Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add aggressive shake effect to your video on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have created a project here, and I'm going to add aggressive shake effect to this video. If we want to add that effect, we need to go to the effects menu on CapCut. Click on this effect options, and then we can select the video effect, and in this video effect we can simply search for the shake effect. Okay, and there will be some effect for you, and then I'm going to choose this one guys. To apply this effect to our video, we can drag the effect, or we can simply click on this plus icon, and now the effect has been added to my video. And to make it more aggressive or super aggressive, I'm going to increase the strength and the speed as well. Okay, then I'm going to play the video to show you the final result. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add aggressive shake effect to our video on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.